Did you know that the shoes that you choose can completely make or break your outfit? The wrong ones can make you look dumpy and a hot mess, while the right ones can make you look chic and completely elevate your look. So make sure to stick around for today's video where I show you how to choose the right shoes according to your outfit. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is another sunny day here in South Florida. If you don't already know me, my name is Isabella and I'm a certified image consultant and fashion enthusiast. And welcome here to my channel, Concept3, where I help you transform your wardrobe, your image, and your lifestyle. In today's video, we will be talking all about shoes because what girl doesn't love shoes? What person doesn't love shoes, to be honest? And we're going to delve into the 8 different types of shoes that you'll find in a typical wardrobe and how to style these shoes based on what type of your outfit you're wearing. So if this sounds like something you want to learn, we can go ahead and get straight into the video. So the first type of shoe we're going to talk about is the combat boot. And surprisingly, this was once a shoe that was meant for rugged and savage warfare, but now it is a very stylish and, very interesting staple in every woman's closet. And the combat boot is great because you can style it many different ways. You can make it look more masculine, make it look more feminine, but at the end of the day, this is a very specific item to style, and you always want to make sure to choose the right type of garments, especially when it comes to bottoms. So when trying to find the right outfit to pair with combat boots, I would avoid anything that is ultra flared or excessively baggy because these are going to cover the top of the boot and really defeat the purpose of showing off this beautiful shoe style. Instead, I would try to go for fitted jeans, pants, and also skirts, shorts, and dresses are great options to really show off your legs and elongate them as well. So the next shoe we're going to talk about are one of my personal favorites, and this is the Pointy Toe Pump. And this is such a sexy and sleek option. As you can see here, the sort of nude color really is going to blend into the skin and elongate the legs. And not to mention, this sort of style creates a very classy, timeless, and elegant look no matter where you're going. And I really love styling this with both skirts and pants, whether that's a pencil skirt, midi skirt, maxi, or mini, or whether you want to wear them with skinny, straight, flared, or wide leg pants or jeans. This is the type of shoe that's really going to be flattering with almost every single type of outfit. So when styling this type of shoe, you don't need to have many worries because it's going to do all of the work for you, and all you have to do is throw them on and feel cute and look great. So I want to take a moment and ask you guys for a huge favor. If you are enjoying this video so far and you want it to reach other people who can also learn about how to style shoes, make sure to go ahead and click that like button. It helps out the channel, it helps other people, and I would just really appreciate it. Okay, that's it. Let's go ahead and get back into the video. So this next shoe, shoe number 3, might seem a little bit basic and boring, but trust me, it is a staple that you must have and style in your wardrobe appropriately. And this is the slim sneakers. And typically they are white or in a very neutral color, but you can see that they hug to the foot very snugly, and they don't create any sort of volume or bulk on the foot, making them very versatile and good for more elegant and more tailored outfits. So with this type of shoe, I would avoid long maxi dresses and oversized styles because this is really going to drag down the level of your outfit and make your dress look cheaper than it is and make you look like you're not really putting in effort. And instead, I would try to style this with short or midi style dresses if you are going for a dress, because it is a very casual sneaker, so the outfit must match the shoe. So moving on to shoe number 4, we have the sandal. And this is definitely a very go-to item for most women because it's easy, it's comfortable, and it can still be stylish. However, when you are choosing your outfit, you need to be careful and really think of the style of the sandal and the effect it's going to have on your outfit. I think sandals are great if you are going to be in a more casual setting, but as you get into the evening and more formal situations, it's not going to work so great. So in my opinion, I would avoid oversized pants and excessively baggy pants when styling sandals because a lot of the time it doesn't look that great. You can get away with it, but I think the pants should be a little bit more casual, probably a bit more tapered to the ankle. And instead, I would try to style sandals with skirts, shorts, tapered jeans, or cropped pants to create a little bit more of a easygoing and casual look. So this next shoe is going to be a lot more serious, more bougie, and it gives more of that old money vibe, and this is the loafer. And these loafers here were actually sent to me by a company called 7 or 9, and they are made of 100% leather, super comfortable, and in a neutral color, so you know that they're gonna go with everything. Love them. You should check it out. I'll leave the link below in the description. Anyways, I used to absolutely hate loafers because they reminded me of grandma's shoes, but they have comfort, they have style, they have functionality, so what else do you really want in a shoe? So when you style them, you need to keep a few things in mind because they can really make the look more serious and a bit more mature. So when styling loafers, I would avoid excessively long pants, anything that is very serious or very businesslike unless you are going to work. And instead, I would try to pair them with cropped or tapered bottoms. Skirts and shorts are also a really great option. I just think when it comes to pants, you really need to choose something that is going to show off a bit of that ankle so you get to see the shoe and it's not hiding underneath a long pair of baggy pants. Now, moving on to shoe number 6, this is the chunky sneaker. And I know we have departed from the era of Balenciaga shoes, all these sort of big statement shoes, but if you still enjoy a good New Balance or any other type of style, you need to be extremely attentive on what you are pairing this shoe with. This shoe is great because it gives you a lot of height, it adds a nice bold statement piece to your outfit, and it really can add a sense of style and, you know, goodness to your outfit. So essentially, I would avoid any elegant and elevated styles when wearing the chunky sneaker because it's not going to go 100%. As you can see here, I have this more delicate skirt, and it's not quite it. It's not quite there. However, if you do wear them, you can style them with jeans, streetwear inspired outfits. Anything like cargo pants, cargo skirts is going to be a great look, and it's going to mesh better with the type of shoe. So I see a lot of you here who are watching my videos but who are not yet subscribed. So in order to not miss anything, I want to ask you to go ahead and click the subscribe button, and along with that, equally as important, the notification bell, so whenever I post, you are notified and you don't miss a single thing. All right, that's it. Let's get back to the other types of shoes. So now this next shoe is also super formal, super elegant, but also gives a bit of sexy, and this is the ankle strap heels. And I absolutely love these for more formal occasions. It gives a bit more of a flirty look compared to the closed toe pump. And this look can be a little tricky because these straps can visually shorten your legs, so you need to really pay attention to how you style them when you get down or when you head out for a night on the town. So with this sort of style, especially if you are shorter, I would avoid excessively long pants, skirts, and dresses because this is going to drag you down to the ground and it's going to hide the shoe if your legs are not long enough. On the other hand, styles that are always great to try are shorter or midi-length skirts and dresses. And this is really going to give your legs a chance to shine, to stand out, and to look really long and lanky, creating a more balanced silhouette. So now, finally arriving to shoe 8, our final one, we have the chunky heel. And this style has been super trendy and popular over the past couple years, and really amazing if you want to make a statement. So the one thing with this sort of heel is that you need to be extremely careful how you're styling your bottoms, because this thicker heel is going to add height, but it's also at the same time going to add volume, and this can really change how your outfit looks if you don't style it properly. So with this sort of style, I would avoid excessively tight and tapered pants because it's really going to draw attention to your feet, and especially if you have bigger feet, it's going to make them look even bigger, and if you have skinny legs like me, it will make them look even skinnier. Instead, I would go for bold prints and voluminous styles when it comes to pants because they are just going to mesh together a little bit better and create a more balanced and visually appealing outfit. So what is your favorite type of shoe to style? Go ahead and let me know in the comments below. I'm curious. My favorite type of shoe that's super practical and stylish is definitely the loafer. So after all of this being said, I hope you guys now know how to style your outfits based on your shoes, and you can really put this knowledge to the test and, you know, create some really great outfits. This being said, thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay safe, stay smart, and stay leveled up. I will see you in my next video. Bye.